I want to do a unboxing video for you guys of this TEKRKEJ rechargeable stun gun with LED flashlight that was sent to me by the company. So here we go. This is the box that it came in, nice and solid, very secure. All right, we have a user manual here. Nice little keychain leather. USB charger. USB-C to US micro USB. Okay, and here's the actual stun gun itself. Looks like a normal everyday car fob. You can see the prongs up there. Okay, so where are we at? There's a little switch here. How does it work? I mean, the material itself, it's a nice rubber, nice grip to it. Make sure this thing's off. Click the buttons. Oh, these buttons don't work. Okay, it doesn't pull apart or anything. You do have a switch there. You have these two little buttons here. Not sure what they do yet. Let's take a look at this instruction manual. LED, stun gun buttons. Okay, so that should be an LED flashlight button. Safety switch. So I'm assuming if you go up or enable it. Okay, it's a 2-position switch. No, it's 3 positions. Ooh. Okay, 1 position. I'm assuming this is the LED. Yeah. Okay, so it's a switch that stays on, so you don't have to keep your finger on it or keep the button pressed, so that's nice. It's a toggle switch. All right. This is a 3-position switch. LED goes red, so I'm assuming this is live now. So let's push this top button and see the stun. Ow, it is loud. Okay, let's turn this off before I shock myself by accident. So very cool. Nice and compact. Looks like the loop for the keychain loop goes here. So that's a nice touch. Keep it on your bag, purse. Let's see if we can get this on here. Okay. Yeah, it looks nice. The switch is a little tough to get to, though. But I'm liking how inconspicuous it is. You can just attach it to your keychain. I mean, not your keychain, your bag. Keep it on you or keep it in your pocket. Yeah, it's very small, so inconspicuous. Awesome product.